Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to use the Scratch project editor in order to make a project that's going to be a collaborative wall mural. For the project for the lesson that Jonathan and I are doing in one of our lessons for the unit, is to build a collaborative wall mural that will allow students to draw and design a cell with a bunch of their organelles. They're going to program in the computer through Scratch how they can make informative sound bites for those projects. That way, when someone touches the organelle, they're going to get some information out of it. So to do this, we did this similarly in class, but we didn't actually record many of our own sounds. So to start this off, what we're going to need to do is we're going to take a lot of these keys right here, and we're going to drag them out. We're only going to do one of them, but in practice you're going to want to take a lot of them out. That way you don't have to keep dragging them. So next up, what we're going to want to do is we're going to need to record a sound. So in order to do that, we're going to have to hit this microphone sound here. And then we're going to hit this record button. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to need to read a definition or some sort of piece of information about the organelle that we're going to be talking about. So here I can split the screen halfways, and I can record this while reading the definition of a nucleus here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. A dense organelle present in most eukaryotic cells, typically a single rounded structure bounded by a double membrane containing the genetic material. So there we go, I have that recorded. So now I can make this full screen again, and I can cut out that part. And then we can just listen to the playback. A dense organelle present in most eukaryotic cells. A dense organelle present. Once that's done, we have that recording, and now what we should be able to do is go to sounds, and then add a sound here, connect sound right there, and it'll be recording 1. So now at this point, whenever I press space, recording 1 will play. And then at the end of it, we'll want to stop all sounds like that. You could also potentially stop all sounds first, so that way you don't have playback from another one happening. So we'd stop all the sounds, play the recording, and then stop all the sounds after the recording is done. When we go like this, we should have crisp, clean recordings per thing that is touched. Now for each organelle, we just need to change the different letter that we're using, so there's a lot of combinations that we're not going to need to go into, but you just rinse and repeat that. Once you get to it, you save this whole thing down, you connect your Makey to this computer, and then connect the alligator clips to the cell, and you'll be fine. But this is the nitty-gritty of it, making sure that everything's recorded, everything is coded correctly. This is the hardest part. After that, it's just physically connecting materials together and making everything good. I hope this is a helpful video.